Hi, I'm Hezekiah, and I have the delightful pleasure of teaching our teens here at Harvest Time South. Our devotion for today comes from Matthew 11:28 through 30, which says, "Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." When training an ox to the plow, you would not just strap them in and expect them to know which way to go. That untrained animal is going to go wherever it wants, toward the tastiest patch of grass or whatever catches its fancy, and the farmer would have to fight and jerk its head around to get it to go the right way. Instead, you would yoke an inexperienced creature alongside one who already knows the way, so that it may learn where to go. In the same way, let us walk alongside Jesus, who is the way, and learn from him. When we stop fighting God to go our own way, and instead walk step in step with Christ, we find rest for our souls.